India is my country. All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of it. Rich and variety heritage. I shall always try to bring worth of it. I shall to my parents, teachers, and all others. Respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. There will be and prosperity, along life, my happiness. Jai Hind.
To the star. International and national news is brought to you by you from Grace and Sapphires. International news. PM Modi led to the foundation for 554 Amit Bharat Station, a government initiative to remap key railway station across the country. National news. Union Minister G. Kishan Reddy expressed confidence in Narendra Modi's third term as PM BJP victory in Telangana. Thank you.
Today's State and Sport News is brought to you by T. Lokishman Gates and Sapphire. State News. Telangana government is making arrangements to provide a gas cylinder for 500 rupees from Tuesday under the Mahalakshmi scheme. Sport News. Subban Gill reveals a advice he gave to Jurel during match winning a partnership. Thank you.
The report is brought to you by Manish from Gates and Sapphire. Weather report. Minimum temperature 22 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 35 degrees Celsius. Mostly sunny. Thank you.
Thought is brought to you by Kaushal from Grapes and Sapphire. Thought. Education is the ability to lead to almost anything without losing your temper or your self-confidence. Thank you. What is brought to you by Emma from Grapes and Sapphire. What? Ability. It means the quality or state of being able. Friends, please spell after me. Ability. A-B-I-L-I-T-Y. Ability. Thank you. Today article on Amartya Sen is brought to you by Satvik from Grade 7 Sapphire. Amartya Sen was born on 3rd November 1933, Sankitten, India. Indian economist who was awarded the 1988 Nobel Prize in Economic Science for his contributions to welfare economics and social choice theory, and for his interest in the problems of society's poorest members. Sen was best known for his work on the cause of famine, which led to the development of practical solutions for preventing or limiting the effects of real or prevised shortages of food. Sen was educated at Presidency College in Kolkata, now Kolkata. He went on to study at Trinity College, Cambridge, where he received a BA in 1955 and MA in 1959 and a PhD in 1959. He taught economics at a number of universities in India and England, including the universities of Jadavpur 1956 to 1958 and Delhi 1963 to 1971, the London School of Economics, the University of London 1971 to 1977 and the University of Oxford 1977 to 1988. Before moving to Harvard University, he got the Bharat Ratna, the highest civilian award in India, in 1999. Thank you.
Happy morning to all. Today, questions on article are brought to you by B. Rakesh of Grade 7 Sapphire. Question number 1. When did Amartya Sen got Nobel Prize? Yes, you picked the right answer. Let us appreciate it.
Answer also. Need to repeat answer also.
And the answer is 1988. In which In which subject he got Nobel Prize? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is economic science. Let us appreciate them. When did Amartya Sen born?
3rd November.
Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is November 3, 1933. Let us appreciate them. Which is the highest civilization award in India?
Bharat Ratna.
Yes, you picked the correct answer, and the answer is Bharat Ratna. Let us appreciate them. Thank you.
Today's article on sport is brought to you by on27 of Great Sons of Iron. Rugby. Rugby football game played with an oval ball by two teams of 15 players. In rugby union play or 13 players. In rugby league play, both rugby union and rugby league have their origins in the style of football played at rugby school in England. According to the sports note, in 1823, William Webb, as a pupil at rugby school, defined the conventions of the day that the ball may only be kicked forward to pick up the ball and run with it in a game, thus creating the distinct handling the game of rugby football. This historical basis of the game was well established for baseball and Australian rules football. While it is known that Webb Ellis was a student at rugby school at the time, there is no direct evidence of the equal events have taken place. Thought it was cited by the Old Rabbinian Society in 1897 report on the origins of the game. Rugby is now a popular sport in many countries of the world. Thank you.
Today article on wrestling is brought to you by K. Karthik of Great Sons of Fire. Wrestling is a martial art and combat sport that involves grappling with an opponent and striking to obtain a position of advantage through different throws or techniques within a given rule set. Wrestling involves different grappling type techniques such as clinch fighting, throws and takedowns, joint locks, pins, and other grappling holds. Many different wrestling techniques have been incorporated into martial arts, combat sports, and military system. Wrestling is genuine competition. Professional wrestling is the athletic theater. Thank you. Have a nice day.
We shall overcome someday. National news. PM Modi in 2000 budget worth rupees 41,000 crores. Thank you. International news is brought to you by Rishika Grade 5 Coral. International news. Maldives Parliament votes to post for general education. State news. Sabaka Saralamba Jatara in Warangal, India largest tribal feast. For news. Hardik Pandya back from injury with IPL and T20 World Cup Indian cruiser. Thank you. Happy morning to all and Vishwaran. Happy morning to all. I am myself Vishwaran of Grade 5 Coral with today's weather report. Maximum temperature 33 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 23 degrees Celsius. Thank you. Today GK question from 1 to 50 is brought to you by Ashfaq from Grade 5 Coral. Question for Grade 1. Which is the tallest animal in the world? Yes, you said the right answer. Let us substitute it. Question for Grade 2. What do we call the doctor of teeth? Dentist. Yes, you said the right answer. The answer is dentist. Let us substitute them. Question for Grade 3. What do we call animals doctor? I repeat my question. What do we call the animals doctor? Yes, you said the right answer. The answer is veterinary doctor. Question for Grade 4. What do we call the doctor who performs surgery? Surgeon. Yes, we said the right answer. The answer is surgeon. Let us substitute them. Question for Grade 5. What do we call the skin doctor? I repeat my question. What do we call the skin doctor? Huh? No, you didn't say the right answer. The answer is dermatologist. Thank you. Happy morning. I am Anandan of Grade 5 Coral. Here to present today's thought. One kind word can change someone's entire day. I repeat my thought. One kind word can change entire day. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. My name is Sohan. I am from Grade 5 Coral. Is here with today's word kind, which means caring about others, being friends and generous. Friends, please spell after me. Kind. K-I-N-D. Kind. Kind. All, my name is Krishna from Grade 5 Coral. Is here to amaze you with some facts. Fact number 1. Bamboo is the world's fastest growing plant. Fact number 2. Children never forget. Fact number 3. Paper from tree can be recycled 6 times. Thank you.